Hi kitchen fam, welcome back to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely delicious always. So guess what's on the menu today? Vegetable jollof rice. Yes, you heard me right. A colorful, veggie loaded version of jollof rice that hit just right. If you are new here, big welcome to you. You have landed in the right kitchen. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and share with someone that loves good food. So let's grow this loving family. Alright, let's get started. So I heat up some little oil in my pot. Once it is hot, I added some chopped onions and about a tablespoon of tomato paste. I let that sizzle and saute for a few seconds just to wake up that flavor. Then I go in with my blended mix of fresh tomato, onions and red bell peppers. Stir it all in and let it cook down nicely until everything is combined and the oil starts showing, just how we like it. Now I season with a bit of thyme, then pour in my already washed rice. I give it a good stir. Make sure every grain is coated and not sticking together. During the stirring, I added my seasoning cube and continue to stir until everything is well combined. Next, I added enough water to cook the rice up to about 70% done. Then add in some chili powder and salt for taste. Give it a good stir and cover and let it do its thing. Once the rice is about 70% cooked, I give it another gentle stir, and now here is the trick. I cover it with a foil paper before putting the lid back on. This helps to trap in the steam and give it that extra rich smoky jollof flavor. Trust me, it makes a difference. As the rice finishes cooking, I toss in some chopped carrots and bell peppers, for that color and crunch. Stir gently. And to finish it all off, I added some chopped spring onion. One final stir to bring everything together. Then boom, just look at that. Our vegetable jollof rice is done, simple, tasty and full of flavor. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and drop a comment. I would like to hear how your own turns out. See you in the next one, kitchen fam. Hi kitchen fam, welcome to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely finger licking good. If you are new here, hi, hello and welcome to the fam. Don't forget to subscribe, share and hit that notification bell because trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Alright, we are going big today, starting with a whole chicken. Yes, the whole chicken. So make sure it is clean, calm and well behaved. We don't want any trouble in our pan. Now for the magic seasoning. Grab your chicken seasoning, ginger powder, chili powder, salt, soya mix, curry powder, paprika and a splash of oil. Then mix everything together until it is well combined, ready for the massage. So massage the chicken like you mean it. Mix it until every bite is soaked in flavor. Then it is oven time. Grill at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour and 30 minutes. We are looking for that golden brown greatness. Once it is out and golden like sunshine, chop it into manageable pieces because no one wants to rest it with a whole leg. Time for that sauce. In a pan, heat a bit of oil and toss in some sliced onions and carrots. Give them a little spare moment. Saute till soft and fragrant. Next, go in with red bell pepper and red onions. Color and crunch coming through. Keep stirring until everything is salting like butter. Season thyme again. Throw in oregano, curry powder, season cube, thyme and salt. Stir till you hear your stomach growling. Now go with little water and cover the sauce and let it simmer for just a bit so the flavors become besties. Finally, add your chicken, piece by piece, like a royalty entering the palace. Stir and coat it lovingly until everything is glassy, juicy, and ready to break the heart. Cover again for a few seconds and boom, your full flavor stir-fried chicken is ready to serve and steal the spotlight. So don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.